Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Robinhood stock value, complete guide step by step clearly. To fix your Robinhood stock value, start by logging into your Robinhood account. Navigate to the home screen where you can view your portfolio. Identify the stock whose value you wish to adjust or repair. Tap on the stock to access its detailed information page. Review the current market value and any related metrics. Check for any recent news or announcements affecting this stock. If you notice discrepancies, consider selling shares to lock in losses or gains. To sell, click the Trade button and select Sell. Input the number of shares you wish to sell. Confirm the sale to execute the transaction. If your goal is to buy more shares at a lower price, monitor the stock closely. Set price alerts to notify you when the stock reaches your desired buying threshold. When the stock price dips, revisit the Stocks page. Click Trade and then select Buy. Enter the number of shares you want to purchase. Review your order details and confirm the transaction. Consider diversifying your investments to mitigate risks in the future. Regularly analyze your portfolio for any necessary adjustments. Stay informed about market trends that could impact your holdings. Utilize Robinhood's educational resources to enhance your trading strategies. Keep an eye on long-term market performance rather than short-term fluctuations. Reassess your investment goals periodically to ensure alignment with your strategies. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.